Stop recording button followed by S.
Friends, this is Inamuddin, a visually challenged person from Karachi, Pakistan. My Skype ID is Charles Darwin 1. That's CHARLSDARWIN 1. I'm a visually challenged person from Karachi, Pakistan. I'm also a General Secretary of Amigos Welfare Trust for the Blind Persons. This is a non-governmental organization which used to work for the benefit of visually challenged people who are here in Pakistan. For more information, you can visit our website. Our address is www.amigoswelfaretrust.com. Today, I'd like to talk about Skype Electron, which is also called as Skype 8. Last year, Microsoft has stopped developing Skype 7 and it has renamed this Skype as Skype Classic. And a few days ago, Microsoft has decided to end support of Skype Classic on September 1st, 2018. After great opposition of sighted people in general and visually challenged people in particular, Microsoft has decided to withdraw its decision of leaving support of Skype Classic for the time being. Skype Electron is, fairly speaking, an accessible and usable, especially after making JAWS script for Skype Electron thanks to Doug Lee. He has been very long JAWS script supporter. I remember it when I have started learning Skype in 2010, when my second daughter was born. I could see Skype 3.8 rather, or something less than that, and the script there was 2 files, and it should be pasted. So that was very old days. Since then, I have been seeing that Doug Lee is developing Skype scripts up to now. So Doug Lee is deserved to be appreciated a lot. The other thing I'd like to let you know that a few days ago I have seen the tutorial of Skype Electron has been made by Gene from New Zealand, and he did it with NVDA. So he actually motivated me to make a tutorial of Skype Electron with JAWS. So I'm using Windows 10 version 1803 build OS 17134.228. I recently updated it today, even August build, and with JAWS 2018 latest version. And I have heard that in August JAWS will give some sort of important update regarding Skype Electron. So let's see what it will update. And also I'm using with JAWS script Skype Electron revision 47, which was released today on yesterday on August 14, 2018, thanks to Doug Lee. So these are the things which I'd like to let you know about. before starting it, I would like to let you know that I will install Skype 8.28.0.41, which was also updated on August 14th, 2018. I will install it, and then I will install the latest script in front of you, and then I'll show you the features of Skype, and at the end, by giving these features, I will end my tutorial. So I hope that you will like my tutorial. If you would like to give us any kind of feedback, you can email me. My email address is inamuddin09@gmail.com. That's I for Italy, N for Netherlands, A for Australia, M for Mexico, U for Ukraine, DD for Denmark, I for Italy, N for Netherlands. That's inamuddin09@gmail.com. I'm also a member of Skype English mailing list, so you can give us feedback on Skype English mailing list as well. But be careful, one thing, that it should not be personal, because otherwise you will violate the rules and regulations of the mailing list. So it should be referred with that tutorial only, not any kind of personal appreciation or condemnation, whatever. So this is all I would like to let you know. Now, without wasting time, let's start our tutorial. So first of all, I am installing Skype Electron. I have it in my computer.
Windows M, desktop, folder view, list view, this PC, 1 of 12. Enter. This PC, items view, multi-select list C, devices and drives expand, enter. Charles Darwin, left parent S, softwares, enter. Softwares, items view, list box S, system mechanic S, say current S, Skype -8.28.0.41.x.
Okay, Skype 8.28. Skype 8.28.0.841. So that's the setup I have in my computer, and I'm entering it.
Enter. User account control dialog. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Microsoft. Verified publisher : Skype software SAR. File origin : hard drive on this.
Okay, so I'm saying yes. I'm pressing Alt Y. This is the Windows 10 security feature. That's called user account control setting.
Alt Y. Setup Skype version 8.28 dialog. Install button. Alt plus I.
That's right. I am entering it.
Enter. Setup Skype version 8.28 dialog. 0%. Cancel button. 70%. 100%. Setup Skype version 8.28 dialog. Softwares. Items view, multi-select list box.
Okay,
Skype
friends.
8.28. Alt F4. Alt tab. Softwares. Alt tab. Voice recorder. Stop recording button. Alt tab. Softwares. Software. Alt F4. Stop recording button. Alt followed by S.
Right.
Windows M. Desktop. Folder view, list view. This PC. 1 of 13. S. Skype.
So I have installed Skype. Before I sign in to Skype, let me install the JAWS script, the latest JAWS script 47, which was released today on August 14th. The last script, revision 45, was released on July 23rd, 2018. So I am installing this script as well.
TTW this PC. Enter. This PC. C. Devices and drive. Enter. Charles Darwin S. Softwares. Enter. Softwares. Items view with J. JAWS and activate J. J2008 J. JFW underline Skype electron.x.
Okay. Now I'm installing it. I'm pressing enter over here.
Enter. JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows Desktop 8 left parent electron right parent. Revision 47 setup dialog. A version of these scripts is already installed on your computer. The current scripts must be removed before this installation can continue. Would you like to run the uninstaller now? Yes button. Alt plus
Yes.
space. Softwares. Items view multi-select list box. JFW underline Skype electron.x 8/15/2018 1:35 a.m. Application 186 KB 23 of 56. JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows Desktop 8 left parent electron right parent uninstall dialog. Next greater button. Alt space. Copies of these scripts were found in the following JAWS folders. All are currently selected. Tab. Uninstall button. Alt space. 4%. 100%. Finish button, Alt plus F. Completing the JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows Desktop 8. JAWS.
Uninstalled it. Now I'm finishing it.
Space, OK button.
OK button.
Space, JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows Desktop 8. Left parent, electron, right parent. Revision 47 setup dialog. Next greater button, Alt plus N. Welcome to the installation of JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows. Written by Doug Lee. Left parent, www.lee.org. Right parent. This wizard will guide you through the installation of JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows Desktop 8. Left parent, electron, right parent for any compatible JAWS versions you have installed on your computer.
Okay. So I'm doing a space bar on next greater button.
Space, press page down to see the rest of tab. Less back button, Alt plus
Tab.
D. Tab, I agree button, Alt
I
plus A.
agree button. Yes, I'm pressing a space bar over it.
Space, the following compatible versions of JAWS have been found on your system.
And
All
I'm
versions are
doing
currently
tab.
tab. Install button, Alt plus I.
Install
2018.
button.
Space, 0%. Show details button, Alt plus D. Installing. Please wait while JAWS scripts for Skype for Windows Desktop 8 left parent electron right parent is being installed. Less back. Next greater. Cancel 100%. Finish button, Alt plus space. Software. Items view multi-select list box. J Alt F4. Desktop. Folder view Alt tab. Voice recorder. Alt tab. Stop recording button. Alt followed Windows M. Desktop.
So friends, I have installed successfully JAWS script revision 47 released on August 14, 2018. Now I'm going to sign in Skype.
S. Skype. Enter. Skype preview. Sign in with Microsoft button.
Right. Sign in with Microsoft button.
Enter. Tab. Main region. Enter your email, phone, or Skype.edit required. Use JAWS key plus Alt. Enter. Enter a valid email address, phone number, or Skype name. Enter. Tab. Enter a valid email address. Shift tab. Enter your email, phone, or Skype.edit required. Use JAWS key. Enter. Tab. Create a Microsoft account link. Shift tab. Enter your email. Enter. C. Sign in to continue the Skype. Enter. That Microsoft account doesn't exist. Enter a different account or invalid. C. Enter a valid email address. Tab. Create a Microsoft. Shift tab. Enter your email. Shift tab. Tab. Main region. Enter your email, phone, or enter. C. Sign in to continue the Skype. H. A-R-L-S-D-A-R-I-I-N 1. Enter. Tab. Create a micro tab. Back button. Tab. Forgot my password. Tab. Tab. Main region. Back button. Tab. Enter password. Password edit required. Use JAWS key plus Alt plus Enter. Please enter the password for your Microsoft account. Start. 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 Tab. Forgot my tab. Sign in but enter. Mood message colon to my all Indian friends. Happy.
So friends, I have successfully signed in to Skype. Now, first of all, I would like to check with insert Q if this script has successfully installed what I wanted. I'm pressing insert Z.
Revision 47 Skype for Windows Desktop 8 left parent electron right parent settings are loaded. The application currently being used is Skype.exe. SKYPE.
That's right. Now I'm using insert Z to virtualize it.
Use virtual PC cursor on.
Use virtual PC cursor on. Now I'm doing
Skype preview.
I have come to the control home for the top of the page here.
My info active button.
Now friends, this is a page. This page look like a web page, but it is not a web page because all web pages needs browser, and it doesn't need any kind of browser whatsoever. So it is just like web page, but actually it's not a web page. So it has buttons, it has menus, it has tabs. So these three things it has. And so we can use this Skype with virtual mode, that's my favorite mode, non-virtual mode with a lot of tabbings, and you can use it with command modes as well. So let's talk about this page. Let's walk through with you this page.
Skype preview. My info active button.
My info active button.
Charles Darwin button.
Charles Darwin button.
Mood message colon to my all Indian
That's
friends. Happy
my
71st
mood
Indian
message.
Independence Day. May all the more options button menu.
More option button.
Search Skype button.
Search Skype button.
Use the output button.
Use dial pad button.
Chats, no unread notifications. 1 of 4
Okay.
tab selected. Calls, 2 of 4 tab.
Chats tab. Call tab.
Contacts, 3 of 4
Contacts
tab.
tab.
Notifications, no new
Notification
notifications.
tab.
4
So
of
these
4
are the
tab.
4 tabs we have: chats, call, contacts, and notification.
Sort menu, sort by unread button menu. New chat button menu. Group start conversations dedicated Wildcat Man. Online chat. Okay, thanks a lot. 12:28 a.m. No
Okay.
new messages button. Skype preview.
So this is the page you have seen. Now, if I would like to say that, if for example I would like to chat anyone, I need to focus someone. So at the moment dedicated Wildcat is focused. Now I'm pressing E.
Edit mood message edit to my all Indian friends.
That's
Happy
my
Skype preview.
mood message.
My info Charles mood more up search use the chat call contact notification sort menu chat but group start con dedicated Wildcat Man online chat enter type a message here edit opening
Okay.
chat dedicated Wildcat Man.
Now I'm saying that I'm writing over here,
EEAR space
Here.
FRIEND
friend.
comma space
I am
I apostrophe M space RECORDING space
recording
TUTORIAL space
tutorial
FOR space
for
SKYPE space
Skype
ELECTRON space AND space
and
TAIS space IS space A space TEST space
test
MESSAGE space
message
TO space
to
YOU
you.
exclaim enter message sent
Okay, so this
virtual
is
PC cursor
message sent.
Skype preview
You
my
can
info
see.
Charles mood more search use chat calls contact notification sort menu chat groups dedicate Simon chatted dedicated Wildcat Man online chat dear friend I'm recording tutorial for Skype Electron and this is a test message to you 1:56 a.m. no new
Okay.
messages Skype preview
Right, so this is how you can chat someone, and you can call with just focus on the contact which you wanted to call and press Control Shift and P for audio call and Control Shift K for video call. So this is how you can chat or you can call someone. If call comes to you, you can focus Skype and press tab key for all information and button, and you can handle it with answer, audio call or decline or whatsoever. You can have those buttons. If you press Control Shift K or Control Shift P, you can accept the call as well. Now, first of all, I would like to give you the commands which you can use. These commands are with Control Shift and with Alt. So with Control you can have Control D for dial pad, Control E for hang up the call, either it is audio or video, Control F for search Skype, Control Shift F to send the file, Control G for new group, Control H for help page of your default browser which you have, Control I for your profile setting, Control comma for Skype setting, Control Q for quit your Skype, Control M for mute unmute, Control Shift K for video call, Control M for mute unmute, Control N for new chat, Control Q to quit. Now we have E for edit, W for home, H for browsing. So these are also things. Now we have Alt E for edit, Alt F for file, Alt H for help, Alt T for tool, and Alt V for view. So we have 4 tabs: chat tabs, call tabs, contact tabs, and notification tab. Also, we have 5 menus, and the first menu is edit menu, which is the command is Alt E. The second one is file menu, Alt F, and the third one is help menu, Alt H, and the last one is the fourth one is tool menu, that's Alt T, and the last one is Alt V, that's view menu. And you can do 29 different things with the access of these 5 menus. So these are the 5 menus and 4 tabs of this page. Now we have a lot of buttons. If you want to, this is very accessible. A lot of people say that it is horrible, it is not accessible, it is this and that. I have seen a lot of email against it. But friends, although we have absent some sort of good features from Skype Classic, all I can say that it is quite accessible, and I will try to demonstrate how it is accessible. So first of all, I am doing
Skype preview.
The menus which I have shown. The first menu is edit menu, that's
Alt E menu.
Alt E. Now it is edit menu. Now we have
Undo Control plus Z.
undo,
Redo Control plus Y.
and I'm doing down arrow 2,
Cut Control plus X.
cut 3,
Copy Control plus C.
4,
Paste Control plus V.
5,
Select all Control plus A.
6,
Search Skype Control plus F.
7. So we can do 7 things
Escape leaving menu.
with edit menu. Now I'm doing file menu. This is the second menu we have.
Alt F menu.
Let's see what we can do.
New group Control plus G.
1,
New chat Control plus N.
2,
New call
3, either it is audio or video.
View profile
4,
Sign out.
5,
Quick Control plus Q.
6. Okay, so 6
Escape
things
leaving menu
we
is my
can do
info.
with file menu. Now we have done 13 different things. Now I'm showing you help menu with Alt H.
Alt H menu. Learn about Skype.
1,
Skype status.
2,
Go to support.
3. Learn Skype, Skype status, go to support.
Ask the Skype community.
Ask the Skype community.
Third dash party notices.
Third dash party notices.
Privacy and cookies.
Privacy and cookie.
Terms of use.
Terms of use.
About Skype.
About Skype.
Check for updates.
Check for update.
Report a problem
Report a problem.
Learn about Skype.
1,
Skype status.
2,
Go to support.
3,
Ask the Skype community.
4,
Third dash party notices.
5,
Privacy and cookies.
6,
Terms of use.
7,
About Skype.
8,
Check for updates.
9,
Report a problem
10. Okay,
Learn about Skype. Report a problem
so we can do 10 things in this version, which called help menu. We can do 10 things.
Learn about Skype. Report a problem Learn about Skype. Skype status. Go to support. Ask the Skype. Third dash privacy. Terms of about Skype. Check for update. Report a problem
Okay, 10 things we can do. Now we have done 23 things up to now.
Escape leaving menus. My
Now
info
I am
active button.
showing you tool menu.
Alt key menu. Settings control plus comma. Audio and video settings Export chat history from Skype 7.x
Okay, so these 3 things we can do from tool menu.
Settings
Setting.
control audio and video settings
Audio and video setting.
Export chat history
And
from Skype 7.x
Export chat from Skype 7. Okay, so 26 things we have done.
Escape leaving menus. My info active button.
Now the last menu is view menu, that's Alt V.
Alt V menu. Toggle full screen F11. Actual size control plus 0. Zoom in control plus shift plus zoom out control plus dash. Toggle full screen F11.
Well,
Escape leaving menus.
these 4 things we can do with Alt V. Now toggle means one command, one key sequence. If you just space bar to on and off, that is called toggle. So press F11 will give you full screen on and off. So these are the you have seen 5 menus, and you can do 30 things. For example, if you want to check for update whether you are using the latest version, all you can do is press Alt H.
Alt H menu. Learn about, report a problem, check for updates.
Check for update. So you have just use your up and down arrow and you have done check for update. Okay, and if you press enter over here,
enter, leaving menus, my info, active button up.
okay,
Use virtual PC cursor on. Close button. Accountant general button. Audio and video calling message notifications. Help and Skype copy. You're on the latest for copyright 2018 Skype version 8.2 8.0.41. Copyright 2018 Skype. You're on the latest version of Skype.
let's see, you have seen that how you can quickly do that check for update. Okay,
Escape. My info.
so
Active button.
what you
Escape.
did, only you press Alt H and then you pressed Insert Z to virtualize it, and that's all.
Skype.
So it is up to now I am trying to tell you that this version is quite accessible and it is quite usable, especially after having a script. Now friends, as far as those people who are using NVDA, non-visual desktop access, Doug Lee has made an add-on of NVDA as well, which will be available on its web page. And the address of this script is http://dlee.org/skype/electron. That's the address of this web page. You can download over here, and if you want to download it directly, the direct link is http://dlee.org/skype/electron/jfw_skype_electron.exe. So this is the direct link of this revision 47 of JavaScript of Skype Electron. So friends, I showed you and how you can add things, how you can add contacts. So what you can do, just or how you can call someone, or how you can search, just
Virtual find. JAWS find dialog. Find escape.
right.
Use virtual PC cursor off. Use virtual PC cursor on. Virtual find. JAWS find dialog. Find what
Right.
edit com.
Now I'm
Alt tab. Skype.
doing
Skype pre.
Control F to search Skype, but the problem is it is activating the JAWS finder,
Virtual find. JAWS.
virtual find. Now what you can do is access passkey, and then you can do that.
Words.
Sorry.
Both characters and none. Characters.
That's insert +3.
Enter key to pass through.
All right. Then you can say
There is currently an open JAWS dialog box. Escape. Virtual find. JAWS find. Escape. Enter key to pass through. Search Skype edit. Search Skype.
see. So you can write any kind of name over here with like I'm typing.
S A
No, sorry.
A S D O U G space L E E. 6 items found. Close search all. 1 of people. 2 message group. Doug Lee. Group start Skype. Doug Lee. Do not disturb. Chatted 5 hours ago.
Okay.
Conversation item. Enter. Groups. 4 of Doug Lee. Do not disturb. Enter. Type a message here. Edit. Contains text. Enter. Type a message here. Button. H E L L O space R E S P E C T E E D E. Respect. Hello. Respect. Space R E S P E C T E blank D space D O U G space I apostrophe M space R E C O R D I N G space T U T O R I A L space O F space A S K Y E E space electron.
Okay, so I have written this one.
Hello.
Hello,
Respected.
Doug, respected Doug.
I'm recording of Skype Electron.
I am recording the tutorial of Skype Electron, and I press enter.
Enter. Message sent.
Message sent.
Virtual PC cursor.
So
Skype preview.
this is how you can do that. Just press Control F, but if you are using JAWS, you should press insert +3 to pass key through. Otherwise you cannot do that. So this is very important thing I had to tell you. With this, I hope that I have shown you at least the basic things, and now I'd like to show you how you can do the settings.
Skype preview. My info active button.
My info active button and
Charles Darwin button.
These are the two settings you can do. So I am pressing on Charles Darwin button.
Enter. Charles Darwin settings dial.
Here you have different settings. General setting, audio and video setting, call setting, messaging setting, contact setting, notification setting, and help and feedback. So let's see what are you have.
Select profile Charles Darwin. To my Europe Charles to my all in. Your press share pro Skype credit and Skype name mobile home Skype number get email locate birthday settings help and feed settings button. Enter. Close your account. Delete your Skype name Charles Darwin 1. Skype preview. Close account and general button.
General button.
Audio and video button.
Audio and video button.
Calling button.
Call in.
Messaging button.
Messaging. These are the 4 things you can do.
Notifications button.
Notification button.
Contacts button.
Contact.
Help and feedback button.
Help and feedback.
Profile picture button.
Profile.
Skype name Charles Darwin 1
so
button.
on. So if, for example, if you want to make that, if someone calls you and the Skype will automatically receive your call, what you can do is
profile help notification messaging but calling button. Audio and video calling button.
Press enter on calling button.
Enter calling settings dialog. Answer incoming calls automatically switch off.
Okay. If you press space bar, it will switch on. So I don't like the automatic Skype. That's why it is off. I press space bar.
Space on.
And now I'm doing again.
Space off.
That's right.
Escape. Skype preview.
So you can do all the settings regarding general, audio, video, calling, messaging, notification, contacts, everything you can do from here.
Escape.
So
Skype
this is all about the settings you can do. I have given you at the end I would like to summarize it. I have installed Skype Electron, then I have installed JAWS script, then I showed you, then I have signed in, then I showed you how to browse this page, 5 menus, 4 tabs, a lot of buttons, how you can chat someone, how you can call someone, if someone calls you, what you can do. And now at the end I would like to show you 3 ways of signing out Skype. There are 3 ways of signing out Skype, and the first way is
Skype preview. My info active button.
You entered on my info active button.
Enter Charles Darwin settings dialog.
And then you can do control plus end key.
Sign out button.
Sign out button. That's very simple. You just enter it.
Enter. Are you sure you want to sign out? Are you sure you want to sign out? Dialog.
Are you sure you want to sign out?
Tab. Yes button.
Yes button.
Tab. Yes and forget sign in details button.
Yes and forget sign in detail button.
Shift tab. Yes
so
button.
These are the 2 things we have. Yes button means that if you press yes button, Skype will remember your details, your username, your password, your everything. And if you press
tab. Yes and forget sign in details button.
Yes and forget sign in detail button, you will have to type your username, your password, everything in order to sign in. So I like Skype my password to memorize. That's why I'm doing
Shift tab. Yes
the
button.
first one, yes button.
Enter. Skype preview. Charles Darwin settings dialog. Sign out button. Skype preview. Skype cannot be used for.
Okay. Now with command mode. I'm pressing Control Q to quit Skype.
Control Q. Desktop folder view list view.
That's right. Now I'm signing in again, and I'll give you the second method.
S. Google Skype. Enter. Skype preview. Skype preview. Tab. Sign in with Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin 1 button. Enter. Mood message colon to my alt.
This is how you sign in. Now the second way of signing out is
Top of 5. Mood message. Use virtual PC. Skype preview. My info. Active button. Charles Darwin button. Mood message colon to my all Indian. More options button
so
menu.
after mood message you have more option button. If you press enter
Menu.
over
More
here
options button menu. More.
and if you just press up arrow one time,
Sign out.
that's right, here it is sign out, and you just press enter over here.
Enter. Leaving menus. Yes button.
Yes button.
Enter. More options button menu. More. Skype.
Okay.
Skype preview read only. File
Now you have signed out, and now
Skype cannot
another
be used
way
for emergency.
of quitting Skype is
Alt F.
file
Menu.
menu,
Quit Control plus Q.
quit.
Enter. Leaving menus. Skype preview read only. File colon / index.html. Desktop folder view
Okay.
with view. Skype.
So you have quit Skype with two ways. Now the third way of signing out.
Enter. Skype preview. Skype preview. Tab. Sign in with Charles. Enter. Mood message colon to my alt.
Okay. Now the third way of signing out is
Use virtual PC. Skype preview.
go to file menu by pressing Alt F.
Alt F. Menu. Quit Control plus Q. Sign out.
Okay. So you did 2 times up arrow. The first one was quit and the second was sign out.
Enter. Leaving menus. Yes button. Enter. Mood message colon to my all Indian friend.
And
Happy
then
71st
you-
Indian and Control Q. Skype preview read only. File colon / index.html. Desktop folder.
So this is how you can sign out. 3 ways I have told you. I think that I have shown you everything. How you can sign in, how you can sign out, what are the difference between sign out and forget detail sign out, and installation of a script, installation of a Skype, and I have walked through with all the features of this web page, web-like page. It's not a web page, but it is just like web page, and it seems that it is an HTML page. So I have shown you these each and everything. I hope that you will like my tutorial. If you would like to feedback, feel free to email me. My email address is inamuddin09@gmail.com. This is my email address, and you can feedback me on Skype English mailing list as well. With this, all I can say, bye bye and ciao.
Alt tab. Voice record.